Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create different kinds of artwork using Spirograph. This is the artwork which I have created and the pen which I am using. When you start drawing, the line skips or it goes under the device or it jumps up. To avoid this, there is a connection between eye and the way your hand is moving. When you are going around, watch the contact point, don't watch the pen point, and rotate around. Let's get started. Use very little pressure to move around. If you like this video, please subscribe for more art tutorials. Leave questions or suggestions in comment section. Thanks for watching.